hits and 1 error.
Red Sox beat the Cubs.
This farm report was brought to you by State Farm agent Mike Davis, who can help you get to a better state with State Farm.
I said the Cubs beat, wait, the Red Sox beat the Cubs. Never mind.
Fans, please direct your attention to the pitcher's mound for tonight's ceremonial first pitches. Who do you have, RC? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. We have a few VIPs here with us tonight. Please welcome the father of one of our ground crew members here today, Mr. David Corbett. And his son is catching the first pitch. And also